How's it going, guys? Noah down here at Johnson's RV and Auto, and we are here in the shop today with a brand new unit for you guys in a brand new floor plan. This is a 2024 Surveyor 235 FKLE. That means it's going to be a front kitchen and a smaller one. It's 29 feet, 5,800 pounds, which is very different from the previous front kitchen you've seen on my lot, which are closer to 35 feet, 9,000 pounds. This one's going to be a very good tow. You can move around with it or you can park it. It's kind of a dual purpose trailer. New for 2024 in the Surveyor, one big thing, we've been asking for it forever, it is going to come with 400 watts of solar panels. So 200 watts factory, and this is a promo unit, which most of them are going to be this year. You're going to get that extra 200 watt panel. So it's going to be 400 watts of solar, making those off-grid trips very enjoyable. You'll be able to keep that fridge running, keep all your lights going. You're never going to have to worry about losing power. So starting up front here, we're going to have a power jack, two 20-pound propane tanks with a cover, and you are going to receive a battery with purchase of the trailer. Coming down the side of the Surveyor here, you're going to see a little bit change in colors this year. They're going to a black, blue, and a gray color compared to the red and the gray. A little bit of storage up front. Most of the front kitchens are like that. You're not going to get your big pass-through storage up front. You are going to get it in the rear, which you will see. Nice big lippered glass door here. Your MoRide solid steps. You are going to get the Surveyor camp kitchen here, which consists of a wash basin, a little 120 volt refrigerator, and your Suburban flat top griddle. There also is a spray port outlet on the side here as well. You flip that up and you're going to get a hose that'll plug in there and you can use your water right there as well. Second door, this one's going to go right into the bedroom, which you will see. And like I was saying before, here is your nice large pass-through storage. Plenty of storage under there, and that is right underneath your bed. At the back of the trailer, you're going to have your Lippard on-the-go ladder bracket and prep for your backup camera as well, which you can come into my parts department and we can get you hooked up with those as well for your brand new trailer. Let's take a look on the inside, guys. In the interior of the 235 FK, we're obviously going to start out in the moneymaker here, guys. This beautiful front kitchen. It's going to give you plenty of storage space, and you're also going to notice new for 2024, the new countertop, the new accents and all the handles, the sink, and all of the brown leather furniture. It looks really good and really ties this whole unit in. So starting off here, you're gonna have 4 large cupboards here, giving you storage across the whole front of the nose cone. Underneath that, you're gonna have your Surveyor cutting board, and new for 2024, the wireless chargers. It will also pop up, give you 2 120 volt plugins there and 2 USB chargers as well. Just off the right of the kitchen here, you are going to have your Furrion 12 volt 11 cubic foot refrigerator, giving you lots of storage space in there, and it's going to work really well with that 400 watts of solar on the roof. Underneath the countertop, you are going to have 4 large cupboards here, give you nice space as well. Your appliances here, Furrion microwave, Furrion range hood, and your Magic Chef oven with the prep cover as well. Flip that down, gonna give you even more counter space. Not that this one already has enough, but you never can really have too much counter space. Nice little spot here, maybe put a coffee maker, toaster, gives you that option because there is, again, like I said, plenty of counter space in this unit. I can't say it enough. Underneath that, you are gonna have 3 large drawers. And if they don't give you enough storage, you are going to have a nice large pantry right when you come in the entrance door. Motion sensor light, some hooks in there, and plenty of space. Right across from your theater seating in the brown leather, looks really good. You are going to have your 40-inch smart TV here, Furrion radio, and some extra storage space as well. Back to the theater seating though, because again, I really want to show you this because I love the color, but I think the brown leather looks awesome. I wasn't too sure at first, but I'm very happy with it. And I will show you this table. This table is awesome. You've probably seen it before, but very easy. You can kind of maneuver it to whichever way. Very easy to get in and out of it. Or you can take it off if you just want to use the theater seating for what they are. This unit can also come with a 4-place dinette or a tri-fold sofa. We just opted for the theater seating just because of making it a dedicated couples coach. Coming through the hallway here, nice window here, going to give you some nice natural daylight. You're going to come right into your very good sized bathroom. Right at the back, you're going to have a shower, some towel storage on the side there, toilet down there, some under the sink storage, medicine cabinet, and as well, new for 2024 is going to be the on-demand hot water heater, which is awesome. You turn that tap on and you're going to have hot water. No more turn it off mid-shower. Very, very awesome upgrade. Into the bedroom of the Surveyor 235, it is going to be the Surveyor Signature 60 by 80 full-size queen bed. And as you can see, guys, look at the storage space. The whole bedroom is going to give you plenty of storage. You got some hangers in there. You got some over the bed storage. You have some under the bed storage here. Some drawers underneath there as well. And again, 3 more windows and your second exit here, or entrance, I should say, like you've seen earlier in the video. So it just gives you that option. You know, you can come right into your bedroom if you just need something quick. You don't got to walk throughout your whole trailer. And there you have it, guys. That's a Surveyor 235 FKLE for 2024. Brand new floor plan. Like I said, just under 29 feet, 5,800 pounds. You can do what you want with this trailer. You want to tow it around. It's going to be very easy to tow for all half-ton trucks. You want to park it seasonal. It feels a lot bigger than 29 feet. It's very well laid out, so it feels a lot larger. It's going to do that really well. Or you want to do both, it's going to be the perfect trailer to do both with. The front kitchen, guys, everybody loves the front kitchen. Every person I show it to, even if it's not even the trailer they're looking for, they love the front kitchen. They want to buy it. I like the layout of this. I love the new colors for 2024. I feel like they did a really good job, especially with the countertops, especially with the brown leather. I think this is going to be a killer, guys. If you want to check this thing out in person, give me a call at Johnson's RV, ask for Noah, and I can give you guys a tour.